أشهد أن لا إله إلا
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you're all well. Today in this video I'm going to show you this amazing Hajj guide. It's called the LABBAYK Hajj Guide and it's made by the Muslim Journal company. You guys may have seen a video that I did previously when I went Umrah. I used this, the LABBAYK Umrah guide, and I'll put a link for the video down below. Inshallah you will benefit from it. So as we know, the Hajj season is upon us, and inshallah if you're gonna go Hajj, then do definitely take one of these with you. Grab one now whilst you've got time, and inshallah you will benefit from it. Okay, so this first and foremost is not a sponsored video. I have not been paid for it. I have not been asked to make this video. The only reason why I make this video is to benefit our ummah, so that they can learn a little bit more, as well as myself first and foremost. So inshallah, let's go ahead and check out this LABBAYK Hajj Guide. I did have a brief view of it, so this is going to be first for me as well, inshallah. So let's go for it together. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So on the first page, automatically it says, call all people to pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot, on every lean camel, from every distant path. And that's from the Quran. Subhanallah, you know, in this day and age we have so much privilege to go there in an easy format. You know, everything's been organized, and when I went Umrah, honestly I thought to myself, you know, it might be a bit hard, this and that, but honestly it's just so easy. Everything's just so well organized. You just have to go there, basically. Subhanallah. So it tells you a bit about Hajj, what Hajj is, and Hajj at a glance. So it tells you what to do, arrive in Makkah, determine the type of Hajj you are going to do, and it basically goes through the steps. It's got little arrows going all the way around. Alhamdulillah. Again, tells you what Hajj is, why Hajj is important, when does Hajj take place, who is required to perform Hajj, how many times Prophet Muhammad performed Hajj. The next part is the different types of Hajj. It's quite important, the Hajj process. So here on the right hand side you'll notice there's tabs. Let me go back. So Hajj, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 and 5, du'as and Medina. Okay, so let's go back to the Hajj process, and then a lot of this will cover Umrah as well. So it's more or less the same. The Ihram, it's exactly the same. So before wearing Ihram clothes, ensure personal hygiene is taken care of. So all this is applicable for Umrah as well. Exactly what not to do. So what nullifies Ihram. Okay, it's quite important. It's very easy to nullify the Ihram. There's many factors involved that we can do it unknowingly or mistakenly. So just be careful. Umrah at a glance. So enter the Masjid. What to say, Tawaf, Nafil prayer, Zamzam, Sa'i, and cutting the hair. So day 1, Mina, Takbir Tashriq, Arafah, day 2, best dua for Arafah. So you know what's beautiful about this? I'm just skipping through this. Basically it's written in clear English, and what's great about this for me, I have to wear glasses when I read, and often it's very difficult. I don't need glasses when I, you know, drive or walk about, so it's very difficult for me to keep putting the glass on and off. This is clear on a white background, and it's, you know, it's not got fancy writing on it, so it's very, very easy to read. So day 3, Hajj day. So it just goes on to day 4, and I'm just skipping through this to just give you an idea. So Tawaf al-Wada, Farewell Tawaf, perform 7 circuits, pray 2 units of Salah, and drink Zamzam. So on this part of the book, Hajj du'as. So dua for leaving home, dua for traveling. Once again, same for Umrah, no difference. Intention for Umrah, intention for Hajj. Okay, let's go to the next page. Talbiyah, entering the Masjid dua, Adhan, dua after Adhan. These are the things we normally would do anyway, but this is, you know, it's clearly step by step. So, you know, all these steps, you won't go from back to front. You first say to Kaaba, what to say, Tawaf, You know, you're not going to do the tawaf before you see the Kaaba, right? So, yeah, it's in order. Recite during tawaf. Again, any dua is suitable. It's absolutely fine. If you want one dua made up for you, it's already there. Dua between the Yemeni corner and the black stone. Rabbana Atina. I'm sure we all know this dua. If you don't, then it's written out here. Dua Maqam Ibrahim. Zamzam. Safa Marwa. Oh, this brings about memories. Dua for leaving the masjid. Dua for forgiveness. Allah. Durud Ibrahim. Visiting the Rawdah. So this is Medina, virtual Medina. So what you can say when you go to Medina, visiting Rawdah, the virtues, highlight 3 points. Sitting in the place is akin to being in the garden of paradise. So that's the Rawdah itself. So make sure, research this up. Rawdah, you need to book it. Okay, you need to book it. There's certain times you can go to this app called Nusuk. So just look into it more and make sure you don't miss your times if you do book it. Happened to me, subhanAllah. Salam to the Prophet Muhammad salam. Greeting Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him. Greeting Umar bin Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him. Visiting Quba, Masjid al-Quba. And yeah, if you're going with a tour operator, you can put the name of the hotel, tour operator contact details. Really important, you know, if you, for example, get ill or anything like that, but at least it's a reference point for you. So alhamdulillah, this is an amazing book, right? It's clearly laid out, short and simple and easy to carry. And it also comes with this lanyard. So lanyard you can carry, put around your neck, and it kind of clips around, so it's quite secure. It's like an earring. I'm really bad at doing this, but once you take it off, it comes off, and then you basically just put it round. Whoop, Allah, like this, clip it shut, yeah, and you can literally hang it around your neck. So it comes with a little beautiful lanyard. I believe this comes in white as well. There is also a Hajj guide book as well, like a proper book. I just bought this one just for reference. Once again, last year I bought this one here, and again this one, Umrah at a glance, you can see it's a different style of book. It's for Umrah, but once again you can take that as well. But this one has it all. This one is like an all-in-one. So even if you're going Umrah, you can use this one as well. So Jazakallah khair, my brothers and sisters. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all your du'as when you go Hajj Umrah, and make dua for me and my family. One of the du'as for me you can make dua for is to better my health. I mean, so Inshallah, Jazakallah khair. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. And once again, this is not a sponsored video, so LABBAYK Hajj Guide Muslim Journal. This is totally my own and unbiased review. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
When you go to the graveyard, what's the dua? The sunnah is Assalamu alaikum ahlad diyari min al-mu'minina wal-muslimin. Peace be upon you, those who are here in these graves from among the believers and the submitters. Wa inna insha'Allahu bikum lalahiquna. That's the dua. We, all of us who are standing here greeting you, Insha'Allah. That's what you are saying. We will be joining you soon. Allahu Akbar. Have you thought that's the dua? What are you saying? We will be joining you soon. May Allah make it easy for us the day we go.